Gary Vee, it's like fucking 11 p.m. just out of nowhere, just calls me and he's like, "Yo, I got like 30 people to call. Hop in." I'm like, I don't care. He's like, "It'll be the best decision of your life. Just get in." I was like, okay.
Yeah.
And so I just joined the call, and I just see like Logan, and I don't even know these other people. I don't want to put them on blast.
Every heavy hitter you can imagine who's worth $1 billion was on this one call, and Gary Vee is in the little corner, the little square. He's going, "CryptoPunks, it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be the next Facebook." All of us were like, "Okay,
Everyone's
Gary."
judging. I'm texting Logan. And I'm like, Gary lost his
legit?
mind.
Bro, all of us were like, "Yo, Gary's nuts. Yo, Gary was right again."
Yeah.
What the fuck?
We got to keep the story going. So there's like all these like very successful people in this call, and Gary's just like, "Everyone, shut the fuck up. Here's what you're gonna do, and you're gonna do it right now. You're all gonna buy a bunch of CryptoPunks." And we're all just like, he's like, "Who here owns one?" And like one guy raised his hand, and it's because Gary bullied him into buying it the day before. And we're all just like, "Are you sure, Gary?" And we're asking questions, and he's like, "Just buy it." I was just so pulled by his like conviction that I bought a bunch.
Wait.
Yeah, I bought quite a few.
How many?
I don't want to say, but
You have to say,
please.
bro, you have to.
I bought multiple ones. Yeah.
Well, bro, are you in double digits, punks?
Just shy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
cool,
yeah.
cool, cool.
So
Yo, if you had-
all right, well,
he's imagine you said 60.
no.
Three zombies.
I bought like 8 of them, and they did pretty good.